Hi guys, it's Rowan, aka the Human Voice Box, and I'm here bringing you more free sound effects that you guys can use on your films. So this is going to be a cat sound effect. So no, I've already done a cat, but this time I have props for this cat sound effect. So I'll play it now. This is this is Rex, my cat. He's a little cutie. So do cat noises. Yeah, that's brilliant. More cat noises. Perfect, perfect. People are going to find this real useful. I love you, Rex. Thanks for watching, guys. We're gonna go cuddle. He hates me. Ow, scratch.